Alright, welcome to Awesome English. I'm Dan. This is lesson 3 in our series on how to write a sci-fi narrative. Now, in our previous 2 lessons, we learned about the macro and micro elements. We learned the macro of a narrative text is orientation, build-up, problem, resolution, and ending. We learned all those awesome micro features that we can include in our narrative. Things like literary devices, direct speech, and a mix of sentences. So now, our learning objective for this lesson is to be able to write an awesome orientation. Let's get started. Alright, welcome to our awesome checklist for today's lesson. It's our roadmap to success. Now, our first objective in lesson 3 in this sci-fi series is to be able to draft our own orientation paragraph for a sci-fi narrative. Then, to be able to use literary devices. Now, literary devices make our narratives exciting and engaging. Check out all the videos if you want to learn more. Then, to be able to describe the characters and settings within our orientation. Then, to be able to innovate an orientation. We're going to give you an example. You can innovate and change or steal ideas that you like. The next objective is to be able to use past tense verbs. And our final objective is to use a mix of simple, compound, and complex sentences. Let's get started. Alright, let's get into it. So here is an example of an orientation for a sci-fi narrative. Now we have gone down the road of aliens as our theme for our sci-fi narrative. Let's check it out. At this point, maybe we can do a little think, pair, share. So spend a few minutes, talk to the person next to you if you're in class, or just brainstorm yourself. Can you spot any of those micro elements within this orientation? Have we described the characters? Have we described the setting? Are there any literary devices? Take a few minutes now and check it out. Wake up! Are you ready for class? Asked a tired voice. Sally put her head back under the pillow. Beep, beep, beep. Her alarm clock rang out in the semi-darkness like a truck reversing down an endless alley. The window framed the new day. Distant mountains were painted orange and red, reflecting the strength of the rising sun. The river glowed in the morning light as if alive. The glassy river water shone like a mirror in the still morning air. If you haven't already, I hope you've annotated and checked out that orientation. Maybe you've spotted that we've described the character and the setting. So the character is Sally and the setting is a farm. Maybe you've spotted some of those awesome literary devices. There's similes, there's direct speech, there's onomatopoeia, and there's even personification. So now it's over to you. Go and draft your own orientation for a sci-fi narrative. Now you can use this bad boy to help you, or you can draft your own idea. You can do the theme of aliens or do something else around a sci-fi theme. Get drafted. Okay, thanks for learning us today at Awesome English. I hope you've had some success in drafting your own orientation for a sci-fi narrative. So now it's over to you. Go and consolidate your learning by maybe up-leveling your orientation. Can you edit it? Can you improve it in any way by adding some awesome adjectives or something else to make it better? I'll see you next time, and remember to stay awesome.